As you can see, guys, this is a bullish pennant or bullish wedge. As you can see, this is what we're in, and currently the price is breaking out. So this is the rise and the consolidation. So let's see what happens. I'll update you guys. So this is what's happening on the 1 minute time frame. A bit of scalping, live trading, I guess you could call it. We broke out of this pattern. Right now, guys, we can either bounce from this retest, or, and then if that does happen, I'm not gonna buy. My buy signal is the Heikin-Ashi candles going green. I need a solid green candle. If we get basically, if this turns into a fake out slash liquidity sweep and we start breaking back below the pattern, then I'll look for a retest of the resistance, and that will be my sell signal. As you can see, after rearranging the top trend line so that it fits nicely, you can see that currently we are bouncing off of the resistance and off of the 786 level. We are starting to get some green Heikin-Ashi candles. I put my stop loss below the lows. However, there is no, I was just going to say there is no liquidity sweep, which is what I wait for. However, what if this is the liquidity sweep? That's the push, that's the retracement. So let's see what happens. I'm just going to put this box here to see if I could get a more aggressive stop loss to just below them lows. Let's see what we can target. Let's target these highs. And then that's the 1 to 3, and then the overall larger trade. Let's see what happens, eh? Let's see what happens. As you can see, guys, I am currently, this is how I'm trading. I've got a YouTube video going. I got entered my trade. As you can see, currently up 0.01%. We got a break and retest. Getting that push up now. So let's see if we can hit full TP. As you can see, this is a little trade update. Currently up 0.10%. Let's see if we can hit this high. As you can see, guys, I'm currently watching Andre Diaz, new favorite trader. New favorite YouTuber. Currently here in this trade, feeling good. If we break below that top line, then if we break below there, then it's not looking good. But I think if we can hold and bounce, then it's looking good. As you can see, I created a new fib level. So let's see if we can hold any of them. We broke below that high, but let's see if anything can hold. Ooh, looks like we can hold the 382. Update you guys in a minute. As you can see, guys, we have bounced right off that 0.5. We are pushing higher. Let's see if we can hit TP. We're pushing higher. Saturday. Good afternoon, guys. I just woke up from a nap after my trade, and this is an update for my trade. You can see that we were in profits all the way to just before the take profit, then crashed down to stop loss. I actually got stopped out of this trade whilst I was flying high. Just before I went to shut my eyes, I saw that we were right there. But I decided to stay in bed, and if I got stopped out, then it would have been a good journal to take profits early. But or set your take profit limit to below the target. But yeah, man, you live and you learn. This is my trade overview. As you can see, it took just under an hour to play out from when I entered to the end of the move. This was the trade. As you can see, got
stopped out. TP didn't get hit. That was nearly a 1 to 4. If I aim for 1 to 3, claim of these highs, or if I was watching, I could have got out at the SFP before we got that sharp move down. Also, if I wasn't napping or tired, then I would have. If I wasn't napping or tired, I was only tired because of my 5 a.m. start. I didn't get enough sleep. So literally, it was a very bad move. As I decided to take a nap, it was literally just before TP. So I probably won't do that again. Yeah, and I looked at the chart. We were on a 15-minute candle at the highest point of the move. And I was like, yeah, sod this, I'm just gonna shut my eyes. I woke up and I got stopped out. So, don't know how to feel about that one. Up guys, currently in the car, on the way to the gym. Another leg sesh. Now, what I want to talk about is a lesson that I learned from this trade, and that is when trading patterns like shown earlier in this video, then you have to move your take profit. This is something I learned actually a long time ago. You have to put your take profit level quite a bit under the target, because most people are targeting the full length of the target. So in the market obviously done what it did to me and other people like that, where it just basically front ran the take profit level. So my lesson is that I need to take profits early, or at least to be on the charts to watch what's happening. So for example, earlier you saw that there was an SFP from that high, which is also a good TP / take profit. Once we get acceptance back below, and it's a good time to get out. And no napping during a trade, especially when you're in decent profits. That's all I gotta say.